funny, Ed. Hey, shut up!
Will you knock it off?
Well, he started it.
Look at you guys. No wonder we're dangling at the bottom of the food chain.
Man, I hate dangling.
Yeah. You know, if it weren't for those lions, we'd be running the joint.
Man, I hate lions.
Pushing.
And hairy.
Stinky.
And man, are they
Ugly.
Oh, surely these lions are not that bad.
Oh,
Oh, Scar, it's just you.
you were afraid it was somebody important.
Yeah, you don't like Mufasa.
Yeah.
I see.
Now that's power.
Tell me about it. I just hear that name and I shudder.
Mufasa.
Ooh. Do it again.
Mufasa. Mufasa, Mufasa, Mufasa.
Ooh, it tingles me.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Now you, Scar, I mean, you're one of us. I mean, you're our pal.
Charmed.
Oh, I like that. He's not king, but he's still so proper.
Yeah, hey, to bring us anything to eat, Scar? Oh, buddy, oh, pal, huh? Did you?
I don't think you really deserve this. I practically gift-wrapped those cubs for you, and you couldn't even dispose of them.
Well, you know, it wasn't exactly like they was alone, Scar.
Yeah, what are you supposed to do? Kill Mufasa?
Precisely.